Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create playlists in CrossDJ Pro. In CrossDJ, creating playlists help you organize your music library and easily access specific tracks or sets, streaming your DJing experience. Instead of scrolling through a large music library, you can quickly navigate to a specific playlist containing the tracks you need for the current sets.